that, Kieran? Is that good food? How good is it? Real good. Show everybody how you eat like big girl. Yeah, you put it on your spoon. It's upside down. Yeah. Gotta eat some. Oh goodness. Wow. Can you do it? You can do it. I saw you do it. Want me to help you do it? Oh yeah, forget that, huh? Just shove it in there. That's a good idea. Yeah. Oh, good Lord. That's a big mess. Yeah. No. Eat your food. Here. Oops. Yay, good job, Kieran. Good job.